Hi everyone, welcome to another Cabinet Vision Guide tech tip. This morning we're going to take a quick look at how we can use the reverse tool to mirror an assembly. So you'll see on screen at the moment I've got a run of bookcases and on the left hand side and the two outer sides, these two bookcases are identical, but the bookcase that I've got in the middle is unique and it's handed to the left hand side because I've got this section in size here. Now what I can do with this is, rather than head down to assembly level and start to resection this assembly to mimic what I've got, I can go into elevation view, highlight the assembly that I want to mirror, and I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to quickly right click and then left click to get to assembly level. And under section view I'm going to go to modifications and then reverse assembly. As you can see really quickly, that's just reverse this section here. So if I just hit return now and back into 3D, you'll see that we've got two assemblies, one handed to the left hand side and one handed to the right. Hopefully you found this tech tip useful. If you can give us a like, share and subscribe. Cheers!